Hey guys, Rich aka the Happy Collector here, and it's time for a little mail day. Let's see what we got. First off, I got this from inkedgaming.com, I believe. I wanted to get a mat so I could present the cards that I pull on and rip on, and even for mail days. And at Cahill Cards on TikTok, and I believe he's on Twitter, is at Cahill Cards as well. Recommended. He's a great account. I recommend you follow the guy. He's a good guy. He recommended these play mats. I think they're awesome. Here, take a look at these. If you ever wonder about my logo, it's a squirrel. He's holding cards. You know, a squirrel's supposed to collect nuts. It collects. I thought it was a funny thing. I don't know. It just might be me. And again, it's not a sponsorship thing. I have no connection with these guys. It's just I'm blown away by the quality here. Sometimes you get stuff printed online and it can be a mess, you know. One key thing I'd recommend, if you do have a logo, and a lot of people are starting to create their own logos. I see them. I love looking at them. Some of them are super creative. I recommend going, unless you have Photoshop skills or print design skills, get your logo done for you. That actually won't cost you a ton of money if you go through Fiverr. Look up Fiverr in the App Store. It's pretty much outsourcing your technical needs. So somebody from overseas doing your, say, print work or your logo design. It's pretty cheap. I had my logo designed, I think, for like $30 some, and the guy gave me like 10 different versions, all printable, scalable for social media. I got a social media package with it. I also got a package that I could print on letterhead, on mats, anything I need to print on. So I highly recommend you check that out if you're in need of a logo and not sure where to go. So with that, let's rip open some mail here. Shout out to hoodies. Nice. Great packing job. I love these custom packing jobs. And it's really, stuff like this takes stuff to the next level. Now this packing job could have been a little bit more desirable, especially since it's an auto card. Take a look at that. And these folded over packages, I always know these are from Tops. A lot of people are complaining that they're not getting the bubble wrapper anymore. I'm finding it hit or miss, but most times I'm still getting the bubble wrapper. I don't know if Tops has a supply issue with these things. I love them because, quite frankly, I repurpose them, especially if I sell anything PSA graded. These are awesome for that. Wow. So this is the Don C. Frank Thomas. What I can tell you, this card online looks beautiful. This card in person, not so much. It's not foil. I was hoping it would be foil. You guys can see, I know I get the ring light there, but it's not foil. It's a piece of paper. It's literally a piece of paper that's kind of meant to look foil. This card is pretty disappointing. And And, you know, I like the work of Don C as well. I think she does a great job. But this is disappointing. If they'd have dropped this in a foil, this card would have been phenomenal. It would have been a nice homage to the 90s when getting these foil cards were like the chase cards. But this, unfortunately, I think is disappointing. So a quick recap. I got this MPJ Auto. I love this card. It's 2018-19 Panini Optic Basketball, the fast break. I mean, it's in awesome condition. I don't love how they sent it to me, but it made it here. Great condition. Got this MPJ Michael Porter Jr. 2018-19 Prizm Basketball base rookie. Paid a couple dollars extra than I really wanted to, but I wanted it, and I still am high on him. And I didn't want to miss the card, so I overpaid by probably like $2. But sometimes that's what happens. And I accepted it. I did not ask for my money back. These Tom Brady's are interesting. They're actually upper deck, and they're labeled 2009 Philadelphia Football. Anybody out there knows what that is? I think it was a short printed set. You guys can see the back here. Very interesting. Got two of these. I just thought they were interesting cards. It's Tom Brady. When I look at them, the corners are sharp. Nice centering. Yeah, I think these are both pretty gradable, which is good news because I'm going to send them out. And last but not least, this disappointing Don C. Frank Thomas card. Again, I loved the thought process and the homage to 90s style foil, but this definitely misses the mark. It literally, I mean, it's so flat in person. It's honestly, it's disappointing. It's not the card that I thought it would be. But I can say though, because I see a lot of people complaining about the quality of the cards they're getting from Topps. It's all over the place. This looks fairly spot on. There's a little mark there. It could be like a dust mark inside. Case is fairly decent. Now, so a ton of people are finding hairs in their cards. I don't know what's going on in that Topps production factory, but there's a ton of hairs that are making into these things, which is odd. Yeah, this is disappointing. I was really looking forward to this card too. It's a shame. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit me up with any questions, either here in YouTube or on TikTok. Probably your best chance of getting me is on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you, as always, for watching. Happy collecting and good luck.